Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a Google My Business listing with Yelp, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google account. Go to the Google My Business website. Click on the Manage Now button. Enter your business name in the search bar. If your business appears in the drop-down, select it. If not, click on Add Your Business to Google. Choose the appropriate category for your business. Fill in your business details such as address and phone number. Make sure your address is accurate for proper listing. Choose whether you deliver goods and services to customers. Click Next once all information is entered. Select the verification method for your listing. You can verify via postcard, phone, or email. Follow the prompts based on your chosen verification method. Once verified, you can manage your listing. Now, go to Yelp's website. Click on Manage My Free Listing. Enter your business name and address. Click Find My Business to confirm it exists. If it doesn't, select Add Your Business to Yelp. Fill in the required information about your business. Include your hours of operation and contact details. Upload high-quality images of your business. Make sure to provide a compelling business description. After completing your Yelp listing, submit it for review. Wait for Yelp to confirm and publish your listing. Check both your Google My Business and Yelp listings for accuracy. Optimize your listings with relevant keywords. Respond to customer reviews promptly. Keep your information updated regularly. Use insights from both platforms to improve visibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.